We all love the look of a brand new car, but the high traffic areas like the center console seem to show wear almost immediately. Specifically, the area around the USB ports can easily get scratched by cables for general daily use. If you are trying to keep your interior looking factory fresh, you might have looked for ways to shield those delicate plastic surfaces. It is a common struggle to find a balance between protecting the finish and keeping everything functional. These covers are made from ABS, a material well regarded in automotive accessories for its balance of durability and lightweight properties. It is built to handle the heat and cold of a car interior without warping over time. Because this is specifically tailored for the 2026 Hyundai IONIQ 9, the geometry of these pieces should align well with the console contours. Whether you are driving a left-hand or right-hand drive model, this accessory is designed to fit your setup. The main goal here is protection without obstruction. You will find that these covers sit around the USB ports, ensuring that your charging cables still plug in just as easily as they did before, but with an added layer of defense. Installation is generally straightforward for this type of cover. Since it is a 3-piece set, you can apply them section by section to get the alignment right, which is a great way to update your console look without professional help. Before you decide to pick this up, take a quick look at your own center console. Ensure that the shape matches your specific trim level, as small variations can exist between different editions of the same vehicle. It is worth noting that this is currently listed at a significant discount, around 40% off the original price. If you have been waiting for an affordable way to dress up your interior, this might be a good time to check the details. Adding this to your IONIQ 9 is a simple, practical way to maintain the interior's value. Check the link provided to verify the latest pricing and confirm that it fits your specific car version before finalizing your order.